Life has taught me these 9 important things. I will teach them to you in 1 minute. 1. God knows when to send you exactly what you need. 2. Being private, staying low, key, and not telling everyone everything is self, care. 3. Seek respect, not attention. It lasts longer. 4. There will always be someone who doesn't see your worth. Don't let it truly mean to someone. 6. Be careful who you trust. Salt and sugar look the same. 7. No regrets. Just do better next time. 8. Remember, some things have to end for better things to begin. 9. Life will separate you from your friends, so appreciate each moment you have together. If you're not following us, you will most likely never hear my voice again. But if you are, congratulations. You're growing every day.